Hi guys, so I know it's been a while since I've made a video. I kind of took a break from doing makeup and videos and stuff like that ever since Halloween because it was a little stressful, so I just took a little break from doing makeup. But today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial using the Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy Extended Palette. I kind of already started because I couldn't decide if I was gonna actually film or not, so but I didn't get that far. So, and if you're wondering what my highlight is, it's from this Essence Eye and Face palette. I used this shade. This is just what the packaging looks like. It's in the style or shade 02 Rise and Shine. So yeah, that's what my highlight is. But yeah, I've used Kylie's eyeshadow palettes before in the past. I actually have her original Burgundy palette. So I'm going to be comparing the shades from the original versus the extended to see if it's, you know, if you already have this, do you need this? Or if you're like me and you like to collect things or just have everything. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. This is Burgundy Extended, and on the back of the box it has the shade names and all the like ingredients and information and stuff. Now this retails for $45, I'm pretty sure. And when you open the box, on the inside of the box it just says like Kylie and all that. Now I do wish on the actual packaging of the palette it said, you know, this Burgundy Extended, but it just says Kylie, so it's kind of like plain. I just wish it, you know, said this because I think this is pretty. And if you got the Burgundy and the Peach, you wouldn't be able to tell like which is which from the packaging. You'd have to like open them up or whatever. So, but this is what the front of the palette looks like. And that's what the back looks like. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It does come with a mirror. But yeah, that's what the shades look like. I think this palette is so beautiful. I love burgundy shades and I've been wanting this palette ever since it came out a few weeks ago, so that's what the shades look like. Now I do want to compare the original Burgundy palette, so this is what both palettes look like. I do think maybe some of the shades are similar. The Burgundy Extended doesn't have this like copper orange shade like the original Burgundy does, so that's kind of different. So I don't know, in my opinion I don't think they're totally the same, but if you already have the original and you don't want to spend the money on getting the extended, then I feel like you could get the same looks out of both palettes. So I don't think it's really necessary to have both, but unless you're like me and you like to have both and like to have options. So yeah, like I said, I did already start on this eye because I wasn't sure if I was gonna film or not, and I took this shade. So yeah, I'm gonna be going back into this shade and just put that more in my crease. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's right next to the first shade that I used, and I think I'm just gonna use the same brush and just put that in my crease. Well, that shade's really pigmented. Okay, so I just took this shade on a smaller brush and focused it more on the inner and outer corner to do a halo look. So now I think I'm gonna go into this shade to just deepen up the inner and outer corner part. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go into the darkest color in the palette to just further deepen up that inner and outer corner part. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I just took a mix of pretty much all those colors that I just used in the crease and outer corner. So for the lid, I think I want to take this like deep purpley shade. It's so pretty and I really want to use it, so I'm not gonna wet this at first because I want to see what it's like without wetting it. I think I'm gonna wet the brush. Okay, so that shade is now on the lid. I think I want to take like a lighter shade to put in the middle of that purple because it's kind of, can't really tell that it's like a halo eye because it's kind of just dark. I mean, I like it, it's pretty, but I think I want to add more depth to it, so I think I'm gonna go into this shade. I think that made it look a little better because it brings more light, so it adds more dimension. I think that's so pretty. So I think for the inner and outer corner, I think for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I think I'm gonna take this shade. Hopefully it's not too dark for a highlighting shade. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like got a purpley shift to it. I think it goes pretty well with this look. Okay, so I think the look is pretty much done. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, put on some lashes and lipstick, and I will be right back. Okay, so now the look is complete. I just put on lashes and lipstick. I used the House of Lashes lashes in the style Femme Fatale. I got these in I got them in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. Then I just used the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K matte lipstick. This is what the eyes look like. So yeah, I love this palette. Sorry, the sun is like glaring weird because it came out of the clouds. But yeah, I love this palette. I think it's super pretty. The colors are super pigmented, and they're not patchy at all. They blend really well. So I love this palette, and I think it's definitely worth the money if you've been wanting it, or since Christmas is coming, I think this would be a really good Christmas gift for a friend, your mom, maybe your girlfriend or whatever. So that was my little review plus tutorial on the Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy Extended Palette. I hope you guys liked the look. I think it turned out really pretty. It's like smoky and burgundy. I love these type of colors in the fall, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!